Hi, thanks for stopping by. I'm Christine, and it looks like we have mail time. So I wanted to share these things with you. It looks like we have a tea unboxing, a Walmart unboxing, and Allure unboxing. So it'll be quick, but it'll be fun, and we'll see what kind of goodies we have. So again, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy the video with the Walmart unboxing. This is the monthly subscription. And pretty box, like the pink. And it says the winter Walmart box. I think we may be running behind because we're moving on to spring for sure. Let's see, we have a little booklet about things that possibly we got. But let's see what it is. If you're interested, I'm going to leave the link below. It's fun. It's just a small box. It's kind of neat to get a little something in the mail that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. Anyway, so it's the Walmart subscription box. Again, it's down below. So the first thing that we got looks like the e.l.f. Skin Invisible Sunscreen 35 Broad Spectrum. And it looks like a full-size product. Let's see. I have a lot of stuff, but I don't have this. It is right here. So that will be nice. So the next thing we got was Intense Moisturizing Lotion, travel size of CeraVe. And I like these little travel size because I can test out if I like it. And also when I go on a trip, we have one coming up, so these will work perfect to just put in our little bags and go. So again, that's the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. It smells good. Let's check it out. Ooh. Never can have too many sample size things. It smells fresh. And the next thing that we got was the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. Now my husband and boys might use that. I kind of have a Lancome or one of those that I use. Anyway, the Cetaphil Facial Cleanser Moisturizing Body Lotion. It says full size is $16.97 for a 12 ounce. Okay, and then we have the Butter Lotion. He's a itty bitty one. Bronzing Serum. Let's see. It's little writing, but Butter Glow. Maybe this is the bronzing. Let's see the tiny little thing. Yep, that one was it. Oh, he's a itty bitty thing. Enough to just try out. Oh, I'm trying to get it where it will show. Anyway, it's got a little squeezer. A little dropper. And it's by Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. The full size of 1 ounce is $14.98. So, and this is 0.08. So, just enough to try out, but mix it with your lotion and put it on. That's what I usually do, stuff like that. but it's been a while. So that's what we got, and it's really fun to get the Walmart one in because it is so inexpensive, and you can plan on it just being there and having a little fun to add your little pile of goodies. The next one, Allure. And again, I will have it in the description below. I will list it below so you have a link if you want to check them out. They send a HelloFresh discount card in each one. And it has full size and small size. But it has a pretty good load, I would say. It's a little bit more expensive. I'll have the price listed below too. So let's see here. This is Opalex number 6, Bombed Soother. Let's see here. While you'll love it when indoor heat makes hair more prone to dryness and flakiness fly away, this leave-in treatment steps in. It soothes, frizz, and hydrates all hair types and define curls and waves in each step. You'll put, okay, so the old people glasses don't always work. Focusing on the mid-length to the ends. Then run what's left through your hands over the roots. I have another one here from them. Let's see, Bond Protection number 9, Opalex. And it's $30 for 90 mLs. And also, so that's good size. Good size. Let's see what size I used. These are 0.68 ounces. Okay, let's see what's next. Skin Ink. And it's Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. Smooth on the mask and let it sit for 30 minutes or overnight. It's comfortable to sleep in. It's also comfortable. It's so comfortable we even like to wear it in the place of moisturizer on days that skin is feeling like it could use a little extra hydration. $85 for 30 mLs. And this that they gave us was 1 full ounce. So that is the actual size. This one's $80. Or 85, I'm sorry. For this here. Let's see. Let's open it. Must be some good stuff. So it is a full size, yes. Just all fold up. Okay. So nobody likes a discount like I like a discount. Okay. The next thing that is in this box is Mega Babe, the Glow Deo Rosy Pits, or the Smooth Deo. This is the Glow Deo Mega Babe Skin Brightening Daily Deodorant. Smells good. Smell. Anyway, it is a full size. It does smell really good. Okay, let's see. No matter which scent you're trying, these deodorants smell fresh and stay that way all day long. You might still sweat. It's deodorant, not antiperspirant, but you'll smell good doing it. You're receiving one of 3 scents chosen randomly. Apply in the morning and you're good for the rest of the day. Okay, well, if you're a big sweater, then this probably won't work for you. But I don't know. We can try and see. So it's $14 for 2.6 ounces, and this is 2.6. So this is a full size. And then our next item is called 3 Ships Dewdrops. Mushroom, Kakadu Plum, and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. If I said that right, Kakadu Plum. This brightening, hydrating serum is light and easy to layer, so you think you give your skincare routine a boost with smooth, soothing aloe, hydrating coconut, and more. Ooh, I bet that smells good. Soothe it onto clean skin and morning light on top of your usual moisturizer. So it's $37 for a 30 ml, and this is a 7 ml. So this is a trial size. You can go to 3shipsbeauty.com, promo code to get 20% off, Allure20. Let's see our final item in the box. This is by Merit. Let's find out where this one's at. Okay, looks like we have some lip color. This is a full size. Most of these, I think I only got, most of these were full size. Wow. Merit. Beauty Shade Stick Slick Tinted Lip Oil in Bel Air Au Naturel. Pink Beet or Jute. Let's see which one we got. Looks like Au Naturel. Shake Slick. Looks, it has a small tint, not much of one, so. It's $24 for 7 ml, so this full size $24. Smells good. Smooth. It's a keeper. So that, again, is the final item for our Allure box. And that's a monthly subscription that I'm signed up for. The Allure Beauty Box. And they do also have fragrance boxes. So again, I'll have it listed below so you can check them out. And reasonable enough to get each month and have fun with it. So you never know. It's a surprise. It's like Christmas. The T-Spot. And I am working with them. Plant Power. Happy Sleeping. Let's see what we got from them. It is part of the T-Spot Sipping Club. So this is what you get when you join the club. You get the teas monthly. So, and let me see again, the tspot.com. I'll link it below. So the first one is Whole Leaf Herb Botanicals Hibiscus Cucumber. That just sounds refreshing. So there's a pack of that. Organic I can't say it. I just can't even say it. Hibiscus, organic licorice, organic lemongrass, organic sage, rosehip, natural cucumber flavor, natural lime flavor, and fennel. So that's a mix pot. So we'll see what that's like. Excuse me. Okay. The next one is Japanese Orchid Sencha. Green tea from Japan, 2 teaspoons per 8-ounce water. Boil, cool 3 minutes. Steep for 2 minutes, 5 servings. So this one has 5 servings. The packaging is adorable. 10% for wellness. I love that. It's like a foil pack. Keep it fresh. Rise and chai. So there's that one. And it's black tea, turmeric, cinnamon, fennel seed. Heaping teaspoon per 8-ounce. Use with boiling water. Steep 3 to 5 minutes. I'm excited to try these out. And then finally we have, this looks like a dangerous thing to me. Is it me, or does that say chocolate cherry bomb whole leaf black tea? Wow, that is a big pack. It's 1 tea bag per serving. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes. See if we can read this. Handcrafted from 2 black teas. This is a dessert that you can enjoy for breakfast. Think hand-dipped chocolate cherry truffle. Sweet, plump, juicy, and decadent without the calories. It's cherry scent and velvety smooth chocolate. I'm just falling to pieces just thinking about it. Notes work in to enchant. This chocolate covered cherry will have you feeling like a kid in a candy store. Yum, yum. Ooh. So that is what we got from the Tea Spot. Again, you have to check them out. I'll list them below. And they sent us a little card. Thank you. We're excited for you to enjoy your new tea and steepware. Let's see. They donate 10% of the profits to support wellness nonprofits, aiding initiatives in clean water, cancer wellness, mental health, and more. With your help with brewing a better world with every cup. Filtered water. You heat water on the stove or in an electric kettle. Avoid microwaves and Keurigs, which I understand why they say that, but we won't get into that. Check packaging for the ideal steeping time and set a timer. Enjoy your perfect brewed cup of tea and drink in the best of today. So, I am excited. Woo. Who doesn't like chocolate covered cherries? Doesn't it just sounds good? I think we should smell. Let's see if it really smells like a chocolate covered cherry. Let's get me some scissors. We won't cut it all the way open. Just take a peek. Well, it's definitely closed, sealed for freshness. Oh man. Let's take a look at one of these little bags. This is what the little bags look like, and it's full of little bags. It's like a net, a fine net. I've never seen a tea bag with the fine net instead of the paper. It doesn't have the paper. I guess that's for the wellness, and they go that extra mile. But this thing is full. of these tea bags. Smell. Anyway, it smells like chocolate covered cherries. So that sounds like all kinds of fun, and I'm gonna have to try that. Anyway, again, this is the Tea Spot, and I'm gonna link it below. And you should join their monthly subscription and get these goodies all the time. Order some special tea, and that is what we got in that box. So I will keep you informed about how the tea tastes. Anyway, I appreciate you stopping by on this quick mail haul, and hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you'll check in the description below and check out these little companies and have some fun with it. So anyway, thanks again, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Do me a favor, leave a comment below, like an emoji teacup. And also, I might mention that if you're into tea, like I'm into tea, Facebook has many, many groups that have tea time. And a lot of them travel, and they go to high teas, and they do a lot of different things and travel all over the world. And they talk about how to set up a tea time table and all kinds of cool stuff. So you should check them out. There's several different ones on Facebook groups. Just do tea time in the search, and it'll pull up different things and how to set up your tea table and things like that, which would be fun to do someday. Anyway, I follow them, and it all seems like it's really fun. So anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.